crossings are nice, but they're not required. He can enter the tracks directly with his tires. He lines up and drops his gears into place, locks the front tires up and out of the way. Oh, he's the multi-talented high rail backhoe. He can ride the rails or drive on the road. Just this one machine can do all of the work of an entire crew. His suspension functions quite independently. Front and back, oh yes, operate separately. To stay safe and secure now at the work site, his outriggers extend, they keep him stabilized. Oh, he's the multi-talented high rail backhoe. He can ride the rails or drive on the road. Just this one machine can do all of the work of an entire crew. His tilt attachment coupler rotates 360 degrees, so he can perform track maintenance, oh yeah, with ease. It's amazing just how expertly he's built. See the tools that attach to his rototilt. Undercutter tool, tie talon tube, and the motor tamper, just to name a few. Oh, he's the multi-talented high rail backhoe. He can ride the rails or drive on the road. Just this one machine can do all the work of an entire crew. Just this one machine can do all the work of an entire crew. Graded crossings are nice, but they're not required.